Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. Hope all of you watched the last video. Today I will start chapter 5, water. Look at the book. Life would not have been possible on earth without water. In fact, life originated in water. Water covers 3/4 of the earth's surface. It makes up 70% of our body and 80 to more than 95% of fruits and vegetables. So normally 70% of our total body, that is water. इसको underline करना. In ancient times, water was considered an element, but now it is established that it is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen. Among all the compounds found on earth, water is the most abundant. So there are lots of compounds on earth's surface, but water is the most abundant compound. Now, sources of water. The sources of water are surface water, groundwater. Surface waters are normally the water in large water bodies like rivers, lakes, oceans, and the polar ice caps. These are the source of surface water. And the groundwater, the water under the surface of earth, which is normally pumped out when required. That is groundwater. Water from lakes and rivers, also called fresh water, and the groundwater are most widely used for the agricultural, industrial, and the household purpose. The source of this water is rain. So normally the source of groundwater is rain. Seawater is salty, cannot be used directly. So normally lakes and rivers water are basically fresh water, and the main source of groundwater is rain. And groundwater is basically used for agricultural, industrial, and the household purposes. Now, the states of water. As you know, water exists in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gaseous state. It is present in the all 3 states in nature. High mountains and polar region are covered with ice. Oceans, lakes, rivers, and the ponds have water in the liquid state, and the atmosphere has water vapor state, so which is not visible. So normally 3 states are found for water. Now, interchangeability of states of water. You have learned that on being heated, ice is converted into water, water into water vapor, and on being cooled, water vapor is converted into water as well as water into ice. Thus, ice, water, and water vapor are the interconvertible. So, in other words, the states of water are interchangeable. Now, water is an essential for life. Life would not have existed on earth without water, which plays many roles in the body of a living being. Let us see what some of these are. The chemical reactions that takes place in the body of the living being are called biochemical reaction. For what biochemical? Because it takes place inside our body. That's why it is a biochemical reaction. Digestion and the respiration are 2 examples of such reaction. These reactions takes place in solution or require water as the medium. So, maintain to this reaction, water is must, because water act as a medium. Photosynthesis is one biochemical reaction in which water plays an active role. Water is one of the chemical required for photosynthesis. Now, water helps transport food, waste, and many other things inside the body of a living being. For example, blood transport things around our body, and blood is mostly water. In plants, and a liquid called sap carries nutrients absorbed by the root to the other parts of the plant body. Sap, which is mostly water, also carries food from the leaves of the rest of the plants. So here is a water is a medium. Water helps expel waste from our body. For example, sweat, urine expelled from our body contains waste dissolved in water. So different types of dissolved salt, those are harmful for our health. That is just expel out from our body as a form of urine, which is kind of water. Another very important function of water is to maintain the body temperature at a particular level. When we feel hot, we sweat. Sweat takes away heat from our skin when it evaporates. So, dogs salivate when they feel hot. The evaporation of saliva cools their body. So, normally, student, hope all of you understood. This portion is very easy. So, for today, up to this portion.